Good day, collective. It's the Most High's baby girl coming to you with an update regarding our TikTok live that's going to happen on 6:30 p.m. this Friday. We are going to be talking about the Ascension Lab, where we're going to get to work on ourselves. But also, we're going to talk about a topic that really seems to be at the center of a lot of conversations today. You know, I'm going to be co-hosting the show with my sister, Cinda Williams, or Showbiz Sid, as y'all know. And, you know, we're going to be talking about one of the biggest lies that are today that I think really causes a lot of the disharmony and out of balance dynamics we see, which is regarding masculine and feminine energy. Both masculine and feminine are creators. You know, it's all about creation ability, but in different ways. The masculine builds or pretty much builds a container while the feminine energy fills it up. And it shouldn't be, the divine masculine shouldn't be about control, but instead it should be about creating the space for creation to have and to build it and protect it, y'all. So we're not going to be just keeping it in the abstract where, you know, it's all fluffy spiritual stuff where a lot of people get lost in the sauce. We're going to try to give examples like where this actually can apply in real life, you know, whether it's traditional relationships between a man and a woman, or just, you know, just period in terms of the relationships we have, because all of us can have masculine and feminine dynamics. And it really is about balance on whatever it is, whatever environment you're in, whatever project that you're working on, and making sure that we balance each other out. So tune in Friday, 6:30, you know, where we're going to kind of dive deep into it. And we're going to cover how men are misled into power instead of protection. We're going to talk about how both men and women are creators, just in different ways. We're going to talk about the divine masculine's true role and how it impacts relationships, leadership, society. And we're going to talk about how do we restore balance and get it back into action, y'all. So make sure that, you know, you're looking 6:30 p.m. Central. Let us know if that's an ideal time. We're just kind of giving it a test. Me and my sister, this is our first really TikTok live experience in the lab. Okay, y'all? So come out, support us. We hope that you'll join us. And I hope to hear from you and hear your thoughts on it, y'all. Because the lab, we all come to show up and to share what our thinking are and to build new things, right? So no voice is invalid in the lab. All right. But, you know, of course, you gotta be respectful. All right, y'all. Peace. Love you. Hope to see you soon.